All right, super short tutorial here on how to upload your videos. So when you go to the Flipgrid that I've posted, it'll bring you to a page like this. You'll see the instructions here for what to include. And you can see that right now I have a couple of responses from Carter so far. But in any case, you go to the actions and it'll say record a response. Now, it should automatically allow you, it should bring you to this. So you can use your camera to create one right that moment, and you can actually uh, uh, make the video without having to save it to your library using Flipgrid. If you already made a recording on in your library, you can import a video and drop it in here. Okay. So then it'll probably ask you, if you click in there, it'll bring you to, if you're using your phone, it'll bring you to your library and you can upload your video clips from there. Hopefully that helps answer any questions. Awesome. Have a good weekend, everybody.